Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in Patriot Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6755.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.